they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Alima, get me some more water. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the name of your boyfriend again?
Ali Baba Muftahu, sir. But they call him Ali Baba. But I prefer Ali.
I see. Do you have any plans of getting married?
Yes, sir. With the same flowers, in my tribe, it became what they use for marriage. So we hide some money small, so that we could fit meet the deadline, or I'll be forced to buy another.
That sounds very expensive. Do you mind if I help towards that? Alima, you are a very beautiful girl. I would have married you if I'm not married. Look, I will give you 2 million cedis towards that. You don't believe it? Yeah, take it.
Thank you, sir.
Biasia bravo yento boasie ti de wo ye bia no nyabotre koko sajifa wudi me penyinche ade wo hu bida no hwe wo bia hu abre so bi ni ma wo bi tre fese ginya me di se bibia wone mre le jai se wo grome ma to pre.
Well, I am like the hunter. I don't pity the sick anymore. She thinks I'm a good Samaritan. But I am a committed distributor of HIV. Beware. You are my next victim.
normal or something?
Yes. Go ahead and knock me down with your car. If you are bold enough to ask Charlotte not to see me again, then go ahead to knock me down with your fucking car.
Charlotte? Charlotte has left you, but that is no reason to die.
Nonsense. Don't you annoy me. Why have you asked her not to see me again?
Listen, you can't blame me for Charlotte's actions, okay? She is not a child.
Tina, I'm not a kid. Since we're moving on smoothly between us before she came into association with your group, that Ashawo group.
Fine. Really? Well, she's not a child. She can make up her own mind. And don't blame me for that.
You better stay away from my Charlotte. She was Charlotte, but now she's Harlot. You got me? She's not ready to join your Ashawo group. You got me?
Look, you tell that to Charlotte, not to me. And get out of my house.
You'll be a dead baby walking if I should see her walking with you again. Dead baby walking.
You watch it.
Fuck you! Idiot!
Hold on for a second, I'm coming.
I'm looking for Madame.
Morning. Do you care for some water?
No, thank you.
What can we do for you?
Madam, please, I didn't hear a job. I won't move join your camp.
Why are you leaving Selena?
Madam, for the past 3 months now, we don't make one CD safe. And my family, they depend on me, madam, I beg.
It's good you've seen the light.
Thank you, madam.
I will offer you a job.
Oh, thank you, madam.
But there are conditions you must fulfill.
Anything.
You will swear an oath to pay 30% on all transactions you make to me. And you'll be on probation for 2 months.
Madam, that one are no problem at all. We dey pay 45% to our madam.
So when do you want to start?
Madam, no. As we dey talk.
Now. Okay, come tomorrow morning. You will start in the evening.
Oh, thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
And after the probation, you will move in here to join us.
Thank you, madam.
That's okay. You're welcome, my dear.
I'll ask of you, madam. Thank you. Madam, I didn't hear you. Madam, let me do the thing for you.
Oh, hello. Tina. Tina, you don't look cheerful. What is the problem? Has Charlotte misbehaved towards you?
Mr. Mensah, Papsi came to my house yesterday to rain insult on me. Me! I told Charlotte to stop seeing him.
What? You mean that idiot came to your house to insult you?
Not only that, he threatened to kill me. That if I still allow her to come to my house.
And you take him serious? He can't do anything. He is desperate and peeved because Charlotte has left him.
Mr. Mensah, please tell Charlotte to stop coming to my house.
Oh, how? So how do you allow yourself to be threatened by that idiot? I mean, look, you take heart. I will deal with him myself. Eh?
I've told you.
Don't worry, I will deal with the situation. Just look at that paparazzi. Had the audacity to go and insult Tina. What? I am going to deal with that boy. He will never forget in his life. I'm just going to handle him like that. Huh? What? We shall see. I will handle him.
Now, get up. Get up, girl. Get up. Okay, dance. So I see what you want me to do. Dance now. We're going to sing. You have to dance. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's your birthday. You're gonna Achibate. Achibate. What is Achibate? What is it? Show us now.
Hello. Hi. Oh, meet Mr. No, he's a doctor. Dr. Bernard Panford. Wow. But his friends call him Benito.
Mm-hmm.
And how do you call him?
Welcome to our world. Oh, that's nice. See, we're here as sisters, friends, enemies. I mean, everything to each other.
You know what? You know everything about me.
Except what?
Except your proposal this morning.
Wow. What's your area of specialty?
I'm a lecturer at KNUST. I'm working in Confrontation Hospital now.
Okay. I think I have to give you your first job or whatever it is. My teeth, are they clean? Because you know I normally take my breakfast before brushing my teeth. So
You have a nice evening.
oh, come on, please make yourself comfortable, okay?
You want something to drink?
Okay, anything.
Yes, he's got to drink that. Wait, girls, I have to make some magic here for the doctor.
Okay, no. The doctor is in the house! On the table!
No, let's raise it from the bottom.
Okay. Can I please kiss your bottle, honey?
You can win.
Doctor in the house! Doctor's wife! A gentleman in the house! Oh, look, sorry. That's crazy. You know, we're mature girls, you know, that's how we are, you know. Take it easy.
Yes, come in.
Cover table, clothes on our back, and the DHSS.
How are you doing?
I thought you would not be coming.
Oh no. I don't make promises in this kind of day.
That is very, very good of you.
Thank you so much. I got your parcel.
That is nothing.
You know something? I'm all yours now. Do whatever you want to do with me.
Treat them good. And they will treat you good. A king does not travel alone. You might be my best victim.
Braboyen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done a show will be a so be Lima will be tray, President Yamidi said, Bia one emre, the Jai said, Walk remember to pray, and I was a comment for Johana. You cannot want our panty, the so would John Shea now, she has said, so who you not going to bet your cratchy, Baba so cram my whoa, someone near.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.